In the rapidly evolving landscape of warfare, technological advancements are reshaping how battles are fought and won. Today, we delve into the world of cutting-edge military technologies that are redefining the battlefield as we know it. From AI-driven drones to autonomous weapons and cyber warfare, these innovations promise not only strategic advantages, but also complex ethical dilemmas. Let's begin by exploring AI-driven drones. These flying machines, equipped with powerful artificial intelligence, can execute missions with unprecedented precision. But what happens when machines make life and death decisions? The potential for misuse is immense, raising questions about accountability and control. Next, we turn our attention to autonomous weapons. These systems can operate independently, selecting and engaging targets without human intervention. While they offer tactical superiority, they also blur the lines of ethical warfare. Who bears responsibility when a machine takes a life? The digital realm of cyber warfare presents another frontier. Nations can now wage war without firing a single shot, disrupting critical infrastructures with a keystroke. The implications for global security are profound, as traditional defenses become obsolete in the face of invisible threats. As we navigate these advancements, the role of international regulations becomes crucial. Historically, agreements like the Geneva Conventions have sought to govern the conduct of war. But new technologies demand new rules. How can we ensure that the race for technological dominance does not lead to catastrophic outcomes? By examining historical precedents, we can glean valuable lessons. The past teaches us about the escalation of conflicts driven by unchecked technological progress. Today, we stand at a crossroads, with the potential for a new kind of world war looming if these technologies are not carefully managed. In conclusion, while the future of warfare promises unparalleled capabilities, it also poses significant ethical and strategic challenges. As policymakers, analysts, and citizens, we must engage in thoughtful dialogue and decisive action to balance technological innovation with ethical responsibility. Only then can we steer the course of future conflicts toward stability and peace.